This video clip will demonstrate how to use SmartMatch to fix non-matching transactions. On the Payment Reconciliation Report, SmartMatch transactions are grouped together at the top of the screen. These are non-matching transactions that share criteria with other non-matching transactions. For example, we have a transaction recorded in the hotel database that is missing an authorization number and transaction ID. And in the Roomkey PMS payment processor, we have a similar transaction recorded with an authorization number and a transaction ID. These transactions share up to 5 similar criteria that can be viewed when you hover on this Match Points icon. Here, I can see that all 5 criteria match between these transactions, and I am confident that we can proceed with this match. To complete the match, click on the Match All Selected Transactions button. Once the transactions are successfully matched, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now view the matched transactions in today's batch below. Transactions that have been manually matched using the SmartMatch tool will appear with an M icon next to the transaction. When you hover on this icon, you can see when the match was made and the clerk ID that completed the match.